Now, Israel has made an arrangement with Qatar that will allow the delivery of medicines to hostages held by Hamas in Gaza. And statement by Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's office mentions that the deal was brokered. Mossad chief approached Qatar, and this agreement also reportedly comes after some hostages' families visited Qatar and told the mediators about the medical needs of hostages. Over 100 hostages are still held in Gaza, and many of them have chronic illness. As per reports, Palestinian officials have said that there have been discussions about bringing medical aid to Gaza, and part of it covered the needs of the Israeli hostages. Deliveries have not begun yet, and it is not yet clear how medicines will be transported. The Hostages and Missing Families Forum, which represents the families of hostages, they said that it would demand visual proof that the medications had reached the hostages. On the other hand, the ground situation in Gaza still remains very tense. More Israeli strikes have hit part of central and southern Gaza in the past 24 hours, and Gaza Health Ministry says that the heavy bombardment killed at least 59 people, while telecommunication services were again cut across the besieged enclave. Now, strikes and shelling hit the cities of Rafah and Khan Yunis in south, and these areas have come under intense focus of Israeli offensive lately, as the military said that the troops have begun withdrawing from the north. A footage has been shared by the Palestinian Red Crescent Society that shows patients crowding Al-Alam and Nasser hospitals in the Khan Yunis city. The video also shows the hospital being overwhelmed as people search for medical attention. While many patients as well as premature babies on life support were at serious risk in central Gaza on Friday, and this after the main generator ran out of fuel at the Al-Aqsa hospital, and power cut-off inside hospital left the intensive care unit in darkness. Doctors warned patients would soon die if electricity was not restored. Now, as the humanitarian situation worsens in Gaza, United Nations discussed this crisis on Friday. UN officials expressed concern over the relocation of nearly 2 million civilians in Gaza, and Israel denied these accusations.
We can see it in the enforced displacement of 1.9 million civilians, a staggering 85% of the total population traumatized and forced to flee again and again as the bombs and the missiles rain down on their places of residence.
First, let me be very clear. There is no forced displacement. As Israel's Prime Minister said 2 days ago, Israel has no intention of displacing the population in Gaza.